In this video, I will show you how to get Provenance Emulator on your iPhone so that you can play Nintendo games on your iPhone without any issue. But before we get started, make sure to follow and subscribe to iOS Droids. With that being said, let's begin. The first step is to get the Flex Store on your iPhone. I made a dedicated video on how to download Flex Store on your iPhone. With the help of Flex Store, you can sideload any number of apps on your iPhone without any errors or without any issue. Open the Flex Store app. At the bottom, it has a section named as Apps. Just tap on this and go to the search bar and search for Provenance. Just tap on the app, click on Sign App, click on Install. The app is being installed. So this is how you can install Provenance Emulator on your iPhone. So that's it about the video guys. For more videos like this, subscribe to iOS Droids.